Welcome to Riverview Furniture. There's a lot more at Riverview than meets the eye. We were established in 1979 and we're located in downtown Minden. Here at Riverview Furniture, we have 3 floors of over 6,000 square feet of showroom space. Over 90% of the products that we carry are Canadian made. In addition to our main showroom, come visit our second store, Cabin Country, located right beside us for all of your custom bedroom needs. All of our wood furniture is handcrafted for a lifetime of memories. You can always find us online, but believe me, it's worth the drive to come visit us in Haliburton County.